Hi, in this video we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies notification announced from one of the state education department. That means these are all the assistant professor vacancies from the government degree colleges or the professional colleges or the government different colleges. And here the consolidated pay, that is 30,000 rupees per month, is available. And the candidates whoever your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subjects or the department in the comment section so that I will come up in the next video. Okay. And please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform. And the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down, guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UGC NET JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. Regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video and the links also I kept. So please check down those. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is the official website of the Sikkim e-Education, official web portal of Education Department, Government of Sikkim. So from this official website, here we got the assistant professor recruitment notification in the blog of circular and notifications. So form for the application of assistant professor in various subjects and employment notice for the assistant professor. Fine. So if you click on this one, and then you will be directed to the assistant professor notification here that I am going to show you. Fine. But before going into the details, here one most important point that I want to tell you is that the Director of Higher Education, Education Department, Government of Sikkim invites application in a prescribed format from the local eligible candidates. That means the candidates who belongs to Sikkim. Okay, those candidates are eligible for this post and the other state candidates are not at all eligible. Okay, for filling up of the post of assistant professor on ad hoc capacity in the subjects mentioned below on a consolidated pay of 30,000 rupees per month for the academic session 2021 to 22. And while coming to the subjects, here you may check down botany, zoology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, commerce, education, geography, Nepali, history, sociology, political science, journalism and mass communication, physical education, psychology, computer science, statistics, EVS, EHS, economics, tourism, Puran, Itihas and English, Sanskrit, Sahitya or Vyakaran, and law, retail management, English, political science, chemistry and mathematics. So from all the subject here, the total 66 vacancies are there, and as per the subject wise you may check down the number of vacancies, those are mentioned in this table. Fine. And coming to the age limit, 40 years as of the 30th June 2021, and the mode of selection of the candidates will be done on the basis of merit of marks obtained in the interview. That means there is no written test here. The candidates will be directly called for the interview, and based upon your performance in the interview, they are going to select. Coming to the eligibility conditions, candidates applying for the regular colleges, master's degree in concerned subjects with minimum 50% at master's degree level for ST, SC differently abled candidates, and 55% for the candidates belongs to the general category. NET, SLET or PhD is compulsory for all the subjects. And the candidates who are applying for the B.Ed colleges, that means whatever the last 4 subjects mentioned in the above table, so those belongs to the B.Ed colleges. Master's degree in the respective subjects with 55% of marks, relaxable by 5% for the SC, ST differently abled physically and visually, and the NET, SLET or PhD is compulsory, and MEd with 55% must be there. And the applications in the prescribed form along with admit card, which can be downloaded from the departmental web portal and should be submitted in room number 512 of Education Department. And last date of submission of application form is 27th July till afternoon 3 o'clock. No application will be accepted after the due date. And the issue of e-admit card on 29th July 2021. The date of interview is 30th July. And venue near Bahadur Bandari College, Government College. Fine. And applicants must bring all the original documents at the time of submission of applications from the form for scrutiny. Photocopies of master's degree, NET or SLET or PhD COI required. This appointment is temporary in nature and purely on ad hoc basis till the end of the academic session 2021 to 22 or till the appointment of regular candidate, whichever is earlier. And the TADA will not be provided for attending the interview. Fine. So it is all the in detail notification regarding the assistant professor on ad hoc basis. And while coming to the form for filling up of the assistant professor, so here you may check down guys, and we will see whatever the particulars are there. You have to affix the recent passport size photograph here, and you should not pin. Okay, do not pin or staple an extra photo. So whatever the application form, roll number, so post applied for, and roll number is for office use only, you need not to fill up. So post applied for, and name of the applicant as in the certificate, 10th board certificate, father's name, okay, all these details. And coming to the educational qualifications and the Sikkim subject or certificate identification number, fine, and placement, permanent place of residence. And you have to check down the details of documents that you need to submit. Okay, and finally it is a declaration and a signature of the applicant, place and date. Fine. So total these are the in detail recruitment notification, and anyhow I will provide this website link in the description box of this video. Okay, so you may check down clearly. And the candidates who belongs to the Sikkim, please share this video to them. It will be very much very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the Iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs, and the live test and quizzes, just as like the Plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the Iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the Plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month, 2,900, and for 3 months, 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.